morning, Eagles. My name is Mrs. Runyon, and today we are going to be reading Elephants Cannot Dance by Mo Willems. This looks like a pretty good book. I don't know what you guys think. All right, Elephants Cannot Dance. Gerald, let's dance. I can teach you. I am teaching all my friends. I would love to learn how to dance, but elephants cannot dance. You are kidding me. No. Look it up. Page 11. Gerald, it does not say that you cannot try. You are right, Piggie. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Let's dance. Oof. Okay, let's go. Jump with me when I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Jump. You were a little late on the jump. I was a little late on the jump. We will try again. We will try again. Move your arms this way. We will try again. We will try again. Lift your leg this way. We will try again. We will try again. Up, up, down, down. Spin, spin. Stop, stop. Forward, forward. Backward, backward. Wiggle waggle. Wiggle waggle. Robot walk. Robot walk. Enough! I have tried and tried and tried and tried and tried, but I am an elephant, and elephants just cannot dance. Oh, Gerald. Hello. We are ready to learn some moves. I am sorry, I cannot teach you. My friend is sad. Silly, we do not want you to teach us. We want to learn from the elephant. Teach me, please. Me too. Me 3. More feeling. Keep trying. You are getting it. The end. I really like this book. I learned that elephants can dance no matter what, and it makes them happy in the end.